Oh, Ziggy, you bit me. You bit me, boy. How could you do it? How could you do it? You bit me.
Oh no, you let him see it.
Oh, I love you, Ziggy. Love you, buddy.
Why do you get mad that he bit you?
Oh, because he never bites. He just likes to play. If you say you bit me, he gets real sad. It's okay, buddy. You didn't bite me. I'm kidding.
I think I will.
Oh, you're gonna bite me now. Good boy. Good